Let's be real, the world of AI is moving at a crazy speed, and it is so easy to get lost in all the hype. So today, we're cutting right through the noise. This is your clear, actionable blueprint for how you can use AI to build a real business and generate real income in 2026.
And this right here, this just says it all, doesn't it? AI is no longer some futuristic toy for tech giants. For entrepreneurs, for creators, for small businesses, it's become the fundamental competitive edge. Adopting it isn't about getting ahead anymore. It's about not getting left in the dust.
So, just how big of an opportunity are we talking about here? Well, according to McKinsey, the potential annual economic value of generative AI is up to $4.4 trillion. That is just a staggering, mind-blowing number. This isn't just a market shift. It's a full-blown economic tidal wave.
That's the real question, isn't it? With an opportunity this massive, where do you even start? Well, don't worry. We're going to break it all down into one key trend and two specific blueprints that you can start building today.
So what's the big technological shift that's powering all of this? It's the move to what's called agentic AI. We're evolving from AI that just answers your questions to AI that actually gets things done for you. And that, my friends, completely changes the game for a one-person business or a small team.
Just look at the keywords in this definition: autonomously plan, execute, and self-correct. This is the massive leap forward. We're no longer just asking a chatbot, hey, can you write an email for me? No, we're telling an AI agent, go research my top competitors, draft a 3-month marketing plan, and then schedule the social media posts. And it just goes off and does. Okay, let's make this super, super simple. A chatbot, the kind we're all used to, is basically an advisor. It gives you information. An AI agent, on the other hand, is an assistant. It takes your goal and executes the entire multi-step process for you. This is the whole game changer right here.
So how do we actually use this to make money? Let's dive into our first blueprint, the AI agency. This is, hands down, the fastest path to cash flow because you're using these new AI superpowers to offer services that businesses are absolutely desperate for right now.
First up, a service that is always in demand: lead generation. Every single business on the planet wants more customers, and AI has made finding them more efficient than ever before.
And listen, you're not just finding leads here. You're using incredible AI tools like Clay and Apollo to build an automated engine, one that finds the perfect prospects, crafts personalized outreach messages at scale, and actually books meetings for your clients, delivering real, tangible results they can see. Okay, next let's talk about the creator economy. It's massive and it runs on one thing: content. But here's the thing about creators, coaches, and experts. They're often great at one thing, like a long podcast or a video, but they totally lack the time to turn that one thing into dozens of other assets. With the creator economy projected to hit nearly $500 billion, the opportunity here is just huge. You can build an agency that takes one piece of long-form content and uses AI to automatically create 20 short-form videos, 10 quote graphics, 5 blog posts, and a week's worth of social media updates. That is pure leverage.
Now this next idea, this is a genuine gold mine. We all know about SEO, ranking on Google, but the way people are searching for information is changing, and it is happening fast.
See, instead of just typing into Google, people are now asking their AI chatbots for recommendations. So imagine someone asks their AI, hey, I'm looking for a great wedding photographer in Austin. AI SEO, or generative engine optimization, is the work of making sure your client is the very first name the AI confidently recommends. So few people are offering this service right now, which means the first mover advantage is massive. Okay, let's shift gears to our second blueprint. While services are great for cash flow, products, that's where you find true scale and the dream of passive income. This is all about building something once and selling it infinitely. But here's the biggest mistake I see people making. They try to build the next ChatGPT. That is a losing game. The winning strategy, trust me, is to go niche. Solve one specific problem for one very specific audience. So instead of building another generic copywriting tool, build one that only writes compelling real estate listings. Instead of a general chatbot, build one that's an expert in Shopify store optimization. Or maybe an AI that helps indie authors plot their next novel. These focused micro-sauce businesses are where the real opportunity is hiding. Let's look at a fantastic real-world example of this: an automated, one-person, print-on-demand clothing store. This model is just brilliant. It combines AI's creative power with the scalability of e-commerce, and it can generate passive income for you every single day.
The workflow here is powered by AI at every single step. You use it to find trends, brainstorm ideas, you generate the actual artwork with tools like Midjourney, and you can even use it to optimize your product listings. It literally becomes a fully automated creative pipeline.
Now, regardless of which blueprint you choose, you're going to need the right toolkit. So think of this as your starter pack for 2026. From ChatGPT for content to Midjourney for visuals and Zapier for tying everything together, these are the engines that are going to power your new AI business.
Okay, we've covered the key trend and 2 powerful blueprints. Now comes the most important part of all, you deciding which path is right for you and then actually taking that very first step. This lays out the choice perfectly. The AI service agency path, that's for you if you want to earn money quickly while learning these valuable skills. The AI product path, on the other hand, it requires more initial work, but it offers incredible long-term scale and freedom. And listen, there is no wrong answer here. Both of these paths are incredibly powerful ways to build a real, profitable business using AI in 2026. The crucial thing is to just pick one and commit to it. So which is it going to be? Are you ready to get in the game, work with clients, and generate cash flow right away? Or are you the builder who wants to create a scalable asset that can grow on its own? Your answer to this question is your starting line. Ultimately, the AI wave isn't coming, it's already here. The opportunity is immense, but it only favors those who actually paddle out and take action. The only question left is, what are you going to build?